In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use margin investing on Robinhood safely and effectively. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your investing strategy, I'll walk you through the process step by step, making sure you feel confident each part of the way. First, let's get started by logging into your Robinhood account at robinhood.com using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Account button. From there, select Investing in the menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Margin Investing. Go ahead and enable this feature if you haven't already. By turning on Margin Investing, you're allowing yourself to borrow money from Robinhood to purchase more stocks, potentially amplifying your returns. But, as with anything involving borrowed funds, it's important to proceed with care. After you've enabled Margin Investing, take a moment to review your buying power on the main dashboard. Your buying power is the total amount available for you to invest and includes both your own cash and any additional funds you're allowed to borrow through margin. It's always wise to double check this to understand exactly how much you have at your disposal. Now, let's talk strategy. One of the most important rules when using margin is to be prudent. Don't feel pressured to use your entire borrowing limit. In fact, it's safer to only use a portion of your available margin, so you're not exposing yourself to unnecessary risk. Financial experts often recommend this approach because, while using margin can potentially increase your returns, it can magnify your losses just as quickly. When you're deciding what to buy, aim for stable, dividend-paying stocks or ETFs first. These tend to be less volatile compared to speculative stocks, which can swing up and down very quickly. Sticking with more reliable investments can help smooth out returns and make it easier to manage risks while using borrowed money. Another key point to remember is to always keep at least 25 to 30% equity in your account. This buffer helps you avoid margin calls, which happen when your account's equity falls below the broker's required amount. Margin calls can force you to sell stocks at unfavorable times, which is something you definitely want to avoid. It's a good habit to monitor your positions on a daily basis. To do this, simply click on Investing in Robinhood and check the performance and history of each individual stock you hold. This way, you'll always know how your investments are doing and can act quickly if things change. Lastly, reinvest your dividends and any profits you earn back into your portfolio. By doing this, you can reduce how much of your portfolio is supported by borrowed money and continue to strengthen your overall financial position. So, those are the essentials for using margin on Robinhood. Remember to proceed thoughtfully, keep a close eye on your account, and stick to quality investments. This way, you'll be well equipped to take advantage of margin responsibly and reduce your overall risk while growing your portfolio. Thanks for watching and good luck with your investing journey.